Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be reviewing a 4x4 lace front wig from this company called HairsMarket. They sent me a few items with the hair that I'm about to show you. I got this really cute blue clip along with some lashes that I'll be wearing with my wig today. They also sent me these two pink hair ties and a pack of stocking cap that has two in it. And this is the hair that I'll be reviewing today. It's 26 inches natural black and it has a 4x4 lace closure. It feels very soft and silky to the touch, just in case you guys are wondering. On the inside it has two clips to the sides and one to the back, and I know sometimes you guys ask questions about that, so I'm making sure I show it to you. I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on, see how I like it and what I need to do to it. So I noticed it already have baby hair, so that's definitely gonna make my job much easier. I'm brushing most of the hair back and get it out my way to make it much easier to work on the front. Before I glue down the lace, I first set it in place to where I want it, then I fold it back and pin it, and then I leave it there while I apply the glue. The glue I'm using today is the Ghost Bond, and when I'm using this glue I like to do about 3 layers, so I try to make the layers or coats very thin. After I apply it, I use the tail of the comb to spread it out before I dry it. After I apply the first layer, I definitely make sure to dry completely before adding the second layer. Now I'm doing the same thing with the second layer, and I'm gonna dry completely as I did with the first layer. As for the third layer, I'm applying it just the same, but this time I will not be drying it completely before I put my lace down on it. So I dry it only enough to make it tacky before I put the lace on it. Now I'm pulling the lace down exactly where I want it, and now I'm gonna dry it completely before I do anything else. Now I'm pretty sure that it's completely dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off of it. I'm gonna go ahead and add some mousse onto my baby hair, and then I'm gonna trim them. Usually I don't trim them, but since these were already left out, I don't see why not. Now I'm gonna lay them, and I'm not doing too much. I'm just gonna do 2 little swoops right here in the front. Now that I'm done with gluing down this baby, I'm gonna pull all the hair back out the way so I could tie it down and leave it to dry while I work on the rest of the hair. I'm using my rapid styling strip to tie my edge down, and I fold it in about 3 to make it small enough to fit hair. Now it's time to work on the rest of the hair, and this will not take long, I promise. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is straighten up my parting because that's definitely needed. I'm using my Easy Edges edge control stick to get my hair nice and flat and in place. And this baby is one of the best thing I use on my wigs when I'm trying to tame it and get it nice and sleek. Now I'm using my hot comb to tame it even more and straighten out the roots. I'm using some foundation to brighten up my parting, especially since I didn't bleach the knot and I want it to look as natural as possible. If you're gonna do this, I highly recommend that you use foundation over concealer because the concealer is gonna make it too bright and then it's not gonna look that natural. And this is the final touch I'm gonna add to my hair before finishing it off. I'm gonna straighten it using my flat iron and I'm gonna use my comb to guide it as I go through it. And just in case you guys are curious about this flat iron I'm using, I did a video on it and I will leave the link below for that video just in case you guys want to check it out. So yeah, this is the final touch before I show you guys the finished look. This is the final look, guys. Oh my god, I am so in love with it. And here's the back, but my only downfall is this hair is not as dense as I would like it to be. Other than that, everything about it is perfect. It's soft and silky and that just makes it so much more amazing. As you can see guys, installing this wig was definitely not hard at all. And I would definitely recommend it for people who are having problem installing the 13x6 lace wigs because I know those can be much harder to install. I kept this wig on for approximately 4 days without adding any glue to it and it did not move at all. And the only reason why I took it off that quick was because it was time for a new hairstyle. I want to say a big thank you to HairsMarket for sponsoring this video and I'll leave all the information down in the description box for this hair and the products I used in this video today, so definitely check that out. Please remember to like and comment, let me know what you guys think about this hair. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!